So let's look at the next t-shirt. This is actually another Berlin Sites t-shirt. As you can see here, a face of Tesla and electrifying. And on the back, very classic, you already know it, Berlin Sites logo and the slogan again, electrifying. There's actually not too much I can say about this Berlin Sites. Maybe it's worth mentioning again that obviously throughout all the years before, I've also gone to the Chaos Communication Congress every year, but I don't have t-shirts from that, so I can't show you. And Berlin Sites is also a yearly thing I've been going to. And the only thing basically I remember about this Berlin Sites, and hopefully I'm not confusing here one or the other Berlin site, but I believe at this Berlin Sites there was like a whole Radar 2 crew there. And that was really, really cool. I was also quite intimidated by them because I'm struggling with Radar and they are obviously very experienced and very good. And I think I talked about IO Smash the Stack and how I tried to get into Radar. And I believe they also gave me another crash course in Radar. But that's basically all I got from this Berlin Sites. Like for every event during this time period, I have been doing my YouTube channel, but nobody, I think, recognized me there. Nobody talked about my YouTube channel there. So it was still something that I tried to keep separate at this point. Because it's basically all I can say about this Berlin Sites, I thought I'd just remind you to look at the playlist of this video series. The motivation for the video series from me is just I want to memorialize those t-shirts, but I also think it highlights how somebody can get into security. Maybe as a school student, it's a bit hard to imagine how somebody could find their way into a place where I'm at right now. And obviously, it's not a path that you can easily follow. I mean, these conferences don't happen anymore. It's not something really repeatable, but I hope it gives you more of an idea how a career can look like. And one of the big takeaways I always mention is that it all takes time and it takes multiple years to have a career, so don't worry about it, don't rush it. Oh, and also maybe I can remind you of last year's Advents Calendar project where I did Hacksember with 24 videos that are much more technical, where I talked about technical stuff. It's also linked below, so check that out. But the next t-shirt is going to be much more interesting, and I have it already laying here, and you can see it's red. So see that t-shirt tomorrow.